So, hello everyone, welcome back. Now we'll discuss problem 10 on page number 70. So, the problem says a charge Q sits at the back corner of the cube. What is the flux of E through the shaded side? Okay, very simple concept but important concept. So, problem 10, page 70. Let us draw the cube first. The figure is somewhat this. Okay, so the charge is here and the shaded side is this one. So we know that from Gauss law, flux through a closed surface is Q by epsilon naught. And also we know that definition of flux is number of field lines passing through that surface is the total flux given by that surface. Alright, we need to calculate the flux due to this charge on this shaded side. So the concept is that first of all we know that number of field lines passing through that surface contributes for the flux. So the charge contributes on this surface, on this surface and on this surface. If a charge contributes on some surface, then electric flux is zero there. Why? Because the field lines are always inside this plane or inside this side. So the angle made by that ds vector and E is 90 degree, because field lines are in this plane only, but the ds vector is perpendicular to this plane. All right, so E dot ds cos theta, we know that, but if cos theta is if theta is 90 degree, then flux is zero. So we understood one simple concept, that whenever the charge which touches the surface, flux through that surface is zero. So the surfaces which are left, which contributes in the flux, are the top, okay, this one, and the third one is and the front one. So the top one, the shaded part, and the front one. So only these charges, only these sides will contribute in the flux. Why? Because electric field vector and ds vector are perpendicular, both perpendicular here, and the theta between them is 0 degree. So flux will be contributed. So flux due to this cube is QE by 3 epsilon naught. All right, but we know that the lines of field lines are also crossing this surface, also this surface, so they are also crossing in this direction. So we have to first of all close the surface to calculate flux for this shaded region only. Okay, so let's close the surface. How can we close the surface? We can close the surface by, so let us draw a diagram again. So the charge is here. So if we want to close the surface, what we need to do? We need to draw another cube here first of all, a cube which protects this side, which protects the back side of this cube. or you can understand from the here also, which protect this side from the back. We need to cover this charge fully, cover the charge fully, so that none of its point left outside. Close the figure. We have to place one cube here, one cube here, and one cube at this side. Similarly, one cube here, one cube at this side, and similarly one cube at the bottom. So we'll get total 8 cubes, and so the total flux that is created by the this charge on this shaded region is, just multiply due to this shaded side is 1/8 of q by 3 epsilon naught, which is equal to 1/24 q by epsilon naught total flux. Let me show you, let me make you more clear how this 1/8 came. So to make things more clear, I have brought 4 boxes. Suppose the charge is here, this charge, this q charge, suppose this is a cube and this charge is at this corner, okay. So we have to close this surface. How can we close? First of all, we will attach one cube here, one cube here, and one cube here. Then this charge will be covered from all sides, all right. And similarly from downside, think that from downside also this charge will be opened. So we have to close the figure. To calculate the flux, the most important thing is the figure should be closed. Then only the flux will be calculated through the electric lines of force. So suppose this the charge was here and we have covered the charge. Now look into the perspective towards when the charge look into the picture when the downside of charge, we need to cover the downside of charge. Similarly, we need 4 boxes. So in total we need 8 boxes. How? If charge is here, we have covered all 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, all right. 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have covered. And for downside, if charge is here, I am talking about downside, if charge is here, so we also need 4 boxes then. So total in total we need 8 boxes to cover to close the figure to calculate the electric flux. So I hope you get a better understanding. What we did, we first of all we calculated for this cube only. We calculated that we have 3 sides, this side and upper side, through which electric flux can be possible. But now we have other sides also through which electric field lines of force can cross. So we also close the surface from that side, but we need 8 cubes to protect them. So we have 8 cubes. For 1 cube we need 1/8. That's why we got the answer q by 24 epsilon naught. I hope you understood. Thank you. Take care.